You can't put it on. I'm gonna put it on. Oh, okay. What's wrong with my shoe, Kylie?
No?
Yeah. What's wrong with my shoe?
My shoe?
Yeah, what's wrong?
My shoe?
Yeah, what happened? Alright, let's go. Let's go, bye-bye. Huh? That's your juice, I know.
Yeah.
But what's wrong with my shoe?
Yeah.
You gonna tie it?
Yeah.
You think you can do it?
Yeah. My shoe!
What's wrong?
My shoe!
What happened? You don't know.
Mimi.
Who did it?
No.
You don't know? Who did it?
Mimi did.
I did it?
Yeah.
No. It was them. It was
Daddy?
them. The bugs.
What?
Yeah, they did it. Did they do it?
Yeah.
Okay, no, they didn't. Let's go. Can we go bye-bye? What, the other one? What's wrong with the other one? Let's see. Okay, the what? The string? The shoelace? What's wrong with the shoelace? Oh, you're gonna stick it in there? See, oh, you fixed it! You did it, Kylie!
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. It's alright, I'll do it myself.
Your sister?
Yeah, myself. We're gonna go bye-bye?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
No.
You don't know.
Mimi did.
To Emily Rose?
Yeah.
And who else? Who?
So the Gigi.
Not Gigi. Yanni.
Yeah?
Yanni.
Yeah?
Yeah. You dancing?
Yeah.
Kylie. You love me?
Yeah.
Can you get a kiss?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Cover your mouth. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Say peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Yeah. High five. Oh. More string?
Yeah.
You want me to tie it?
Yeah.
You tie it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah! You throw it in a circle and that's you tying it? No. No, it didn't work, but nice try. Okay, say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, kid.
Bye-bye, kid.
Bye, kid.